Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by placing the router near your modem and a power source. Plug modem to WAN port with Ethernet and power both devices. Wait until modem is fully online. Open Google Home on your phone and allow location and Bluetooth when prompted so devices pair. Tap Add, then Set up device, select New Device, pick your home. Once done, the app will search for the router and guide you through the initial connection steps. You now choose the network name and a secure password. Pick something memorable but unique. In advanced settings, decide whether to allow both bands or prefer 5 GHz for speed. Make sure to explain device compatibility to users. Set up device prioritization for streaming or work devices so latency-sensitive traffic gets preference. Enable automatic firmware updates for security. Once configured, confirm connected devices and run the network test to verify speeds and latency. Finish by adding any extra mesh points, placing them half distance between the router and dead zones. Follow the app to add units and sync settings. Test roaming by moving around the space. Make sure devices switch smoothly. If a device won't connect, reboot the router and modem first and verify Ethernet and power cables, then forget and rejoin Wi-Fi on the device. If persistent issues remain, perform a factory reset with the PIN, then reconfigure. Contact support only if problems continue.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.